invite Asante, invite for MPP Bibiana. Let me just stop and go. Me tell myself so me go.
Kwasi would have to know.
Setting me up against the general public. Please. I am someone we. You don't go call the person.
Now, Master, what you have been chasing? Go buy 1 2 this.
When you ain't seen him pine, I tell you, Mechi. I am someone we. Setting me up against the public.
Now, by what you Asante as setting you up, and you won't hear any.
Me Kasukra, me be any who bet me setting me up against the public. Meti ame makaje me convoy for police. Me ni hantu ka me kirasem. Onipa anti na kirasem o tachiman. Na se kadi poti na kirasem ona mana ko ne zeguliti. Onyame na ya maduma no pe ma beti me kirasem.
CJ Beyiwa no.
We all beti ma. Only boss no beti ma beti na.
CJ Beyiwa no.
In the act.
Hey,
yan ko ensem so only boss no.
Cut in the act saying.
Na say the machine.
So ya den.
Upia mi ase baby ami ni ho.
Opia o shen.
Akosie kuma no maso akante hu nei.
Erade Yesu.
Anti man we kante hu no kwa. Be dey akante so. Adom Erade yakwo CJ hadrio.
Adrio.
Oh David. The kra watch did baby. On na no dey port ni man nam sa. Is the minister of agriculture. Woman appointment as port ambassador.
Edana kuma so ba.
Edana kuma so brutal.
And I mean no say nkoko be 8 million. Obawu ama say abedu 2 million no say
say me bomb pass the project in be because they dey say sa broiler project won komo no.
Yeah.
Nanka be bo man ni ye free say na say community me didi ono ankasa enyen ana ya kan say fofi anto ata eno so ko ene ma bisi basa bi no enti I will encourage her say
exactly
obie ye nyina ya ni am ye hu sinto a ewo eyesa adwumaku no nafa na de me den say on ton kosona on hold the people I am mandate almost on hold you responsible for some of
very important.
So what's the point?
Yeah, very important.
And me je dey say then come on no be no. Owia o man so ha. The Ministry of Agriculture.
Yeah.
Ye akoto eda no.
Yeah.
Our department and agencies are responsible for these things. My issue is say the minister should not come and explain these things to us. Those people mandated to take charge of support to no man no. Omuna say kua ni omuti.
Omuna was omutimi be yi ano.
Ansan ya recommend my minister say etimi pambia and etimi suspend bia na etimi bi ho adwuma ni aye because Ghana technocrats nankasa de omani akoshe omani makoshe ministers nachi politicians nachi. Eti asem kra say technocrat ne be respond no. Na military she no aberesman akoya man yourself. If you listen to her yesterday on Asempa Ecosystem.
Yeah, me tie mo pa.
Who say waje bread with the team net to anamo ebe boama Ghana your poultry industry no akos because the way they say we identify the challenges and the lapses in the system. It is our lapses and challenges no. If only they can be rectified in Kwandia, we need to action it as soon as practicable.
Very important.
Very, very important.
Very important.
Hey, I'm on for face intimidating. I'm going to pay the washen who saw Mana Bruso.
Kwasi, my man in Tokwa. About try Adom Abwajuma. Documentary no. Me answer so many idea chepa. Na di enda so esukodo.
Yeah, esukodo.
Wa besuko. Wa besuko na wa ye adwuma. Me gidi say ye ne betwetwe nkomo. Na afei dia wo huni. You know, no Omanhene can say, hold those in charge accountable. Yeah. I think it's a charge for her to keep. So, and I'm aware with you.
Wow, for the first one, my doing wonderful.
Many,
I'm all for one who Brazil you made Oh, wow. This is a very fine gentleman. I'm so impressed. Oh, wow. It's already a mistake. I'm saying the mass man come de bano. Na abase ni die. Die na me kan wasem enope maka wasem kan say kwasi kono na kwantia na muntu Ghana yetu yenyai na afie me animbre. Matters of rain, education, matters of sanitation, matters of employment and all those. Omaya why crowd so obema ne manfo enye ridaso no. Enye na muntu na Ghana yetu.
Okay.
Oman bia na o chichira a chromanity to mabu no age bracket 18 to 40. omubenya anidaso ne ahotoso no enye sei na sa man ne chichire no. Our challenge continues to be with leadership in this country. All across.
Really?
If you say yenya kandifo na kandinia or de beto ne ho so say whether a term or whatever, Ghana continues to be the agenda. And yenya Ghana fonso mbeti ase say Ghana is not MPP, neither can Ghana be NDC. A collective responsibility, 70% of that responsibility is on the people who are given power to rule over us. The 30% is that yen shese inshobe yiri na obi toilet seat
na edansium
obi fridge
na edansium
obi boiler wachi chain wo sack mu edansium obi kwan a obi dan a osi ehho anwea ene ehho abo abloko gata na obi antimi nka obi swimming pool or room no obie pool no ato kwan mu ama kwan ya ye no ese
no.
Until we get to that point where citizens will say almost a certain percentage of responsibility. Na yebe chiaso. You lose our point in there. His Excellency the President of the land, the frustration and the desperation as to Yesuban your attitude, no dear. Nana Adabraka. I beg to differ,
really,
Mr. President.
Really?
It is Mr. Minim so only a bedin komo.
Yeah.
Midibesia. But I cannot go without reminding myself that I am a proud Ahafonian.
Okay.
And a proud Ghanaian. So me a proud Ghanaian dia, me who bibia, meke bibi. If I see something, I'll say something. Nyesa bibia keke na akoka. Se mrantie bi ni maba wabi etu anamo bia enko yi. Se obia en ho wahye sofotade odena mo boabo ni pekua no e de nyoma ensem fata etu omadwe se otu anamo. Se obia en ho se muslimi ni na onam na yes skills bi emwa e se otu anamo. Obia en ho se NGO adwumako bi ne skills ne nanamo ntonya papa e se otu anamo. That is why I encourage you say the edikan continue to exhibit the core values of who a Ghanaian is. Patriotism and love for your country.
Sure.
If these two core values na ye adwuma pe, so be to anamo bi a ene oman ne hye ebo abra titiriw ewetuaten ho a entempa be yim panyimfo asutire. Ye ka che adwumako so ebo ho ban so say wonye careful. Nya se asumasi ko yi asutire no. Na eno so ho asem akoye nsem kisene bi. Na masa ka Ghana Police Service say #justice for Alex Donkor.
Okay.
We mean that they should bring back the integrity to the service now. They be amoka wanse. Chibesia.
Yamenehene.
Me dase. Anope mi kodi fetri dechi.
Ose.
Anope mi kodi fetri dechi.
Ah, why na de ma o?
O fa na chiri ba mienu. Ne baba na otoso num no. Ne si wa ba ana de ma me anope. Ma me no was. Conference.
Kwabena.
You try na maso na.
Hey. Na tinja ufinya mo be kaseti Omanhene za. Na finya be kaseti Omanhene za.
Se bo adwuma ye.
Ana bai. Ye wa adwuma ye. Ye wa adwuma ye o kwasi ye wa adwuma ye. Hey. Na de o ye de.